Instagram tests new reset button to refresh feed recommendations. Instagram on Tuesday revealed that it's currently testing an enticing new reset button feature, allowing users to restore their feed recommendations along with providing them a fresh start. By restarting the algorithm that determines what content appears on the Explore page, Home Feed, and Reels tab, users can have more control over their content suggestions. The feature will help users discover more relevant recommendations, letting them enjoy their favorite videos and efficiently refresh feeds by reducing irrelevant content on Instagram. The reset button is reminiscent of the one TikTok rolled out in 2023 for its For You feed. Once the reset's completed, Instagram's algorithm will automatically recustomize content suggestions based on user interactions and activity. Additionally, the reset process will allow users to review their following list and unfollow accounts they no longer want to follow. Instagram head Adam Mosseri explained in a video that the reset feature is developed for users who want a complete overhaul of their content recommendations rather than for frequent use. He stated, "It's gonna make your Instagram much less interesting at first because we're gonna treat you as if we know nothing about your interest. And then it'll take some time to learn those again. So it's not something I recommend doing all the time, but if you find yourself in a place where you're not happy with your experience, this gives you an out." Instagram's reset button feature is currently being tested and is expected to roll out shortly, but the release date is still under wraps.